decided to stop at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green since I'm early and got plenty of time today. Not alone does Corvette have a rich racing history, but some of these old Vettes are just mean-looking street machines, regardless of whether they were on the racetrack or not. I mean, look at that number 38 right there. That's a Stingray hot rod if I've ever seen one. At the end of the 2016 Rolex 24 Hours of Daytona, two Corvettes on the same team were engaged in an epic battle that would lead to the closest 1-2 finish in Rolex history. Given permission by team management to let him race, the number 4 car prevailed at .0134 seconds faster than the other car to take the championship. At some point, I think the designers of Corvette kind of lost the unique look and have this kind of average car look, but in the last few years, definitely the mean street rod look is definitely back on most of these Vettes.
And they stopped at the Shell gas station.
On February 12th, 2014, car enthusiasts worldwide tuned into a story that would simultaneously captivate them and make them cringe at the news that 8 Corvettes had fallen victim to a massive sinkhole at the Dome. Luckily, the museum was closed at the time, but the not-so-lucky vehicles that toppled into the sinkhole included a 1962 black Corvette, an 84 PPG pace car, a 92 white 1 millionth Corvette, 1993 Ruby Red 40th Anniversary Corvette, a 2001 Mallet Hammer Z06 Corvette, 2009 white 1.5 millionth Corvette, and 2 cars on loan from General Motors, a 93 ZR1 Spider and a 2009 ZR1 Blue Devil. The sinkhole has since been filled, and the damaged Corvettes and other vehicles are now on display. However, there is a really neat exhibit that is a cave that you can walk through, and those yellow lines on the floor there where the actual collapse had happened. But you can walk through the cave tour and see what happened and get a good look at what a cave collapse looks like underneath a Corvette museum. was definitely worth the stop right off of I-65 in Bowling Green, Kentucky, especially if you're in the Mammoth Cave area or just passing through. You can stop, pop in, $16 admission, and spend anywhere from, an hour or two to several hours in there. So folks, thanks for watching. Do what you can where you are with what you have. And as our gas prices are rising through the roof, all of us full-timers are cringing at the thought of filling up our tow vehicles. But hang in there, and there'll be some more videos of my fall trip here. Real time, I am actually almost done with my winter down here and about ready to head home, but I've got a few more videos of my trip down to Florida. And on behalf of myself and Daisy, my bearded boondock and goodwill ambassador buddy, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.